What are your top 3 marinades for chicken? We don't really marinate our chicken all that often. We do have a few recipes on Team Live Lean where we marinate them. There's like a Chinese chicken skewers one there. To make the chicken Chinese skewers, we have 4 chicken breasts diced into cubes, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of tamari sauce, a dash of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, a dash of ground ginger, a dash of ground cloves, and a 1/4 cup of almond flour. If you are using wooden skewers, make sure you first soak them in water for 20 to 30 minutes and heat the grill over medium heat. To make the chicken marinade, add the following ingredients to a mixing bowl. 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of tamari sauce, a dash of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, a dash of ground ginger, and a dash of ground cloves. Add the marinade mixture to a frying pan to melt the coconut oil for approximately 30 seconds. In a big mixing bowl, add the diced chicken, then pour the melted marinade over the chicken. Mix all together to ensure the marinade covers the chicken. Skewer the marinated chicken and add them to the grill and cook for 4 to 6 minutes per side. Sprinkle the chicken skewers with a 1/4 cup of almond flour to add extra texture and healthy fat. Enjoy the gains. Nutrition facts per serving: 306 calories, 40 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbohydrates, and 14 grams of fat. So we use like vinegars, like balsamic vinegar, some olive oils, but what we really use most of the time is spices.
And herbs.
So if I had to give 3 top spices for chicken, would be garlic, onion powder, and I'm gonna say thyme.
Yeah, I was gonna say lemon juice. We use that sometimes. Yep. I like that. I like citrus on chicken. I think like lime or lemon is really, really good.
Mango is good too as a marinade.
Yeah, a lot of good options there. But yeah, check out our recipes inside Team Live Lean. Also in your Eat Clean Live Lean cookbook has some good chicken recipes.
That's the thing with recipe books. They have those little nuggets in there, like those marinades and spices, like the spice combinations that you may not think of that can take like a dry chicken breast that you're just so tired of eating day after day, and you just like have a quick marinade or a quick secret spice on it, and it just blows it. Like, I
love tahini sauce. Like you have that one tahini chicken recipe.
Tahini chicken is really good too.
Yeah. But yeah, because it does really get boring to eat like bland chicken all the time. So changing up the flavor of your chicken is awesome.
So if you're inside Team Live Lean, if you're a member, go check out those ones. If you're not, get your booty in there, because there's so many people in there like using these recipes, living the lean lifestyle, and absolutely loving eating real healthy foods.
Yes, there's no reason you wouldn't want to be a member. It like blows our mind that anyone doesn't want to join because of how much like value you get. You get like free workout programs every single month, and enough about that.
Going on a little sale there.
I know. Well,
I love it.
Like, I'm trying not to be all like salesy, but I just think it's crazy that some people aren't members.
It's true.
Like, be a member.
It's true.
It's a no-brainer.
That just shows the passion, people. Just the passion to help, like to give you the kick in the ass that you need to like get moving. And we've
spent so many years now building this team to be like such an amazing resource, and it's just a dream come true for us. So you guys are enjoying it.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.